Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, we will discuss how to use the latest AI image generation feature in Microsoft Paint. Microsoft labels this feature as co-creator and you have to join the waitlist to be able to use this. I already subscribed to the waiting list and now I have access to this feature in the Windows Insider preview build. So just click on the co-creator option once you get off the waitlist and type a prompt that you want to generate an image on. I will try a simple one like a car zooming past a person on the road. After that, I will choose a style. Let's pick one of these styles. I've chosen anime and I clicked on create. I have sped up the process, but this image generation can take a while on your PCs. After you click the create button, 1 credit will be spent. You can see that it is showing 49 credits remaining. These credits do not renew as per my testing, so I think you get only 50 credits to try this feature out. But don't lose hope, as you always have the Bing image generation feature available via Microsoft Copilot. Just click on any one image and now you can drag and position it to the side. You can see that the generated prompts do not look very exciting, and that is because it produces a photo of 1024 by 1024 pixels. Let me change the prompt to something a little bit exciting and let's see how this generative AI feature fares with a new prompt. So I am creating a fighting scene of a cat and a chimpanzee, and let's check how this AI feature works with this prompt. You can see that when I click on the create button, it consumes a bit of time before generating the final image. You can see that since I used the word fighting, it gave me a content warning. So let's replace it with something more non-invasive. And now you can see that we have 3 sets of images based on the prompt. As per the photorealistic style, these look better, but you can see that the cat is more pronounced in this picture as compared to the chimpanzee. I guess I will have to work on my prompt skills a bit more. Let's check the another one, and you can see that the cat is slightly overpowered by what seems to be a chimp and a cat mixture. So generative AI needs a little bit of tweaking to do. You can always save these images as it is by just clicking on the 3 dots button and saving this image on your PCs. What I'm worried about is that you can end up spending the limited credit available to try this feature very fast. But you can also use the Bing image generator for this exact purpose. So this was a small glimpse on how to use the Paint Cocreator feature, and you will soon notice that it will arrive in the upcoming November update to the stable versions as well. That's all from this video, guys. Do like and share this video with other fellow Windows enthusiasts. Also subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel for more such videos.